Hey everyone, this is Aman from Corporate Investing Group. Today we will talk about the Hindalco Industries, its analysis, and we will complete the contents about the Hindalco Industries. Firstly, we will talk about the Hindalco Industries. Then we have fundamental analysis, we have business update, we have shareholding pattern, and we have a chart analysis. So let us begin from about the Hindalco Industries. So Hindalco Industries Limited is a metal flagship company of Aditya Birla Group. It is one of Asia's largest producer of aluminum and copper. It also serves as key sectors such as aerospace, construction, and in daily used items, pharmaceuticals, packaging, and ceramics, etc. So Hindalco has a workforce of more than 50,000 people and would have 17 manufacturing units and 21 mining operations in India, and it is a worldwide company. So these are the basics about the company. So let us come to the fundamental analysis. So here we have firstly we have the market cap of the company. The market cap is around 1,25,181 crore, which is a large cap company. And secondly, we have PE ratio. PE ratio is 14.86 of the company. We generally called as the price to earning ratio. It is used to check whether the price of a stock is undervalued or overvalued. So it is below 20. So it is a good sign. Next, we have PB ratio. PB ratio is called as price to book ratio. It measures the market valuation of a company related to its book value. Then we have debt to equity, we have ROE, we have dividend yield. So let me give the basic information of these concepts. So debt to company is 0.59, which means how much debt a company has compared to its assets. Then we have ROE, return on equity. So it is a measure of a company net income divided by its shareholder equity. So ROE is 8.47, which is below average. So then we have dividend. We have the dividend is called as the financial ratio that the percentage of a company share price that it pays out to a shareholder each year. Uh, Next, we have the business update. We have a fundamental shareholding pattern. We have a technical analysis. So let us come to the screener website for a better view of the fundamental analysis. So let us come to the quarterly results. So quarterly results for that Hindalco is good. Like for September 2020 and 22, if we compared with September 2023, there is a slight decrease in the sales, and there was a around, and this operating profit is like 5,362 crores, but here we have 5,612 crores. So there was a slight increase in operating profit for this quarter. For if we compare for the June 2022, there was a slight decrease in sale of with compared to 2023, and but operating profit is also decreased. So let's come to profit before tax. The profit before tax is the profit before the tax paying. So it is called a profit before tax. We will come about the profit and loss. So let us come to the profit and loss. Here are the operating profits. Here also given the same things, the net profit, the rest things. Let's come to balance sheet. Balance sheet has the following things: reserves, borrowings, liabilities. See, if you can see, the liabilities in March 2012 is 101402, but here you can see just double. The liabilities just became double, and the asset is also doubled. So if the liabilities is increasing, the uh, assets will also get increased. So reserves, I can say reserve. These are the funds which set aside to pay for future obligations. These are just the right types of funds, and the borrowings are the amount that company borrows through various resources. So let us come to the cash flow. Cash flow is the nothing just but the cash generated by the company due to the core business activities, which is called as the cash flow. Here you can see in March 2012 we have 7,547 crores, but in March 2023 you can see 19,208, which is just I think 2.5 times it became the cash flow. but here you can see the net cash flow has a little bit not that much good, because in the financing activity it was spent around minus 10,345 crores, and in investing capacity activity it was spent around 7,664. Similarly in case of every year. So let me tell you the basic about financing activity. The financing activity is nothing but the purchasing of stocks, the amount spent in purchasing of stocks, existing existing stocks, the issuance of debts, or a dividend paid to its shareholders. Let me come about the shareholding pattern. Then the shareholding pattern, you can see over here the promoters holding is unchanged from the December 2022 to September 2023, but in DIIs, in the domestic institutions, you can see a slight increase from 22% to 25%. It was increased. In public sector you can see a slight decrease because of the less profit given by the stocks. See, you are here, you can see 20.22%, but here you can see in September 2023 only 11% holdings are there from public sector. So here, for the future perspective, we can see the stock is good, it is performing good, but as per the short term activity, it was given a less profit. So retail investors kept on moving. So as let us come to the Hindalco chart view for a better view and better understanding of the technical analysis. Here you can see I have made three things over here. First is that I have made a support resistance line at 634, which was the high of Hindalco Industries in the month of 31st March 29 March 2022, and I have made this line at 550. I think 505. I have made this line. Yeah, 555, because it was another resistance over here in the month of 20 October 21 and in 11th of 2022. So now also you can see in 15th December 2023 it was kept at this point at it 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 is coming at this point, and it was trading at support. So here from their point of view, I can see there was a big candle has been made today over here, and I can see there will be some correction over here at this point till 20 to 30 points. I can say that it will get corrected from here. Here are the levels. So in at this point, I can see it. The stock was trading at this level, but at this point at around 24th of November 2023, you can see there was some breakout given by the red candles at this point. And here after this we have a certain rally of around 50 points till 567. So the stock was trading at 52 weeks high, so we can say that there is a momentum over here. But as it was also in bullish nature, because this 200 moving average, it was trading above the 200 moving average line. So as per my perspective, for a short term perspective, I can see there would be some correction over here for 20 to 30 points from below the trading zone. But for future perspective, it was a perfect stock to buy. And for the business update also, I can say Hindalco is a setup is going to set up a 25,000 ton battery foil manufacturing plant in Sambal near Odisha to cover up the EV market by 2025. As per the EV market, I can see there will be some growth in the Hindalco industries also. So the investment amount is about 800 crores by the Hindalco Industries, and is making various, and Industries is also making a various investments in battery materials and technologies towards building Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is also a great initiative and a positive view of Hindalco Industries. So thanks for watching the video, and I will share the analysis in the YouTube. You can check there. Thank you.